Hey nail friends, welcome to Painted Jab. It's your favorite licensed nail tech, Jenna Alexander. And if you are new here, this is my brand building journey. Painted Jab provides education, supplies, and apparel, all geared to the nail industry. So let's just jump right into some things. If this is something that interests you, follow along, make sure to subscribe. If this video helps in any kind of way, make sure that you like, and let's get right into it. So for the past couple of weeks, I have been working on my first virtual nail educational tutorial video. I use teacher Jade's course building materials to help me break down all of the steps and all of the information that I want to provide and teach for my Manicure Like a Pro class. So teacher Jade, as I mentioned, she had two courses that I used. I want to say the first one was a beginner's guide to building an online course, and then there's a part 2 to it, I want to say. But I will be posting that here or leaving the link in the bio as well so you can find that information. But her courses completely broke everything down step by step for how to create an online course, what kind of information you want to make sure you put in your online course, how to follow up with students who take your courses, and basically anything that you would need to create your own course to teach anything, whether it be nails, cooking, reading, writing, anything you can think of. Her course will definitely help with that if you are interested in building any online lessons. So I would highly recommend teacher Jade. Like I said, I will leave her information in the bio so you can find it for yourself. And with that being said, she also provided me with information on certain websites that would allow me to use their platforms to promote my educational videos. So I decided to go with a website called Udemy. Right now, I am waiting for my course to finish its final review. So I will keep you updated on what happens with that. And basically, Udemy was super easy to use. I shot all of my videos. I was able to easily upload them to their site, leave descriptions for my videos, all those good things. You do have to have a minimum of 30 minutes if you want to upload a course. If your course is over 2 hours long, you do have to charge for the course. But if it's under 2 hours long, you can provide your courses for free, should you choose to do so. But like I said, they walk you through every single step. They're really good about emailing tips and tricks as well. So I will keep you posted on how that whole situation goes with my course, with my first course being uploaded to Udemy. And I just want to give again a special thanks to teacher Jade for providing those course building materials, because I had no idea where to start, how to make an online course, how to project it in a way for students to understand and learn and grow. And her course was amazing, so I highly recommend it. Okay, and then so enough of that. We'll see what happens with the course. I will keep you guys posted. Last video, I think I talked a little bit about overcoming my fear of setting up a GoFundMe. And I did get my first donation probably within 30 minutes of posting. And that amount was a very significant amount. It allowed me to purchase enough supplies to start building my kit. So I'm going to start out making about 20 manicure kits that can either go with my educational tutorial video or can be purchased separately just as a starting manicure kit for either yourself or if you're providing services for clients. So let's get into this haul. I have a ton of boxes I need to go through. The first one that we're gonna do is the SHEIN haul. And then I think I'm gonna do a second video for my Amazon haul because I have 6 packages sitting over there for the Amazon haul. Okay, so here is the package from SHEIN. There's going to be a lot of multiples in here just because, like I said, I'm putting together about 20 kits. So let's just get into this haul, shall we? All right, let's slice this bad boy open. And I guess I can kind of give you guys a run through of everything that I've got too and why. We've got some buffers, definite go-to for any nail tech. These are the boxes. I got a ton of these like nail supply boxes, cases. Like I said, there's probably about 20 of these. Tons of these boxes. Alright, I've got some nail brushes, cleaning brushes. We got tons of clippers. Like I said, we're going to be doing 20 of these kits, and I think I'm also going to do a kit building video at some point. Oh, I got some supply bags. So when I'm packaging things, it's kind of hard to see these. Got some holographic supply bags for shipping. I got some pushers. I don't know if you can really see that. We got some pushers. And I think that might be my SHEIN haul. Because like I said, I got a ton of stuff from, but I'll probably put a list too of everything that I got from SHEIN too. So it's just more clippers. Because we are doing 20 kits, 20 nail kits. And so that's that. I want to say my SHEIN haul was basically boxes, brushes, clippers, pushers, buffers. The Amazon one will be a lot more exciting. There's also supplies for like my packaging. I'm going to be making my own stickers, my own labels. So I'll also do videos on how to make your own labels for your products, how to make your stickers for your products. And I think that might be it so far. So that was my little SHEIN haul. We'll do an Amazon haul probably sooner this week because we got to get these packages put together, get these kits all put together. I'm super excited to show you guys, and I hope this just gave you a little bit more insight into what's going on with building this brand. So make sure you bust out and shine through. All right, so here is the full SHEIN haul. So here's all of those boxes, those nail boxes, buffers, brushes, a whole bunch of pushers, a ton of straight edge clippers, very important. They've got that straight edge, and packaging.